Hey guys, just want to do a quick video to show you the coolant cover that I got for my boyfriend on Christmas. Got a really good deal on it, and so just wanted to show you a quick install of it. I do apologize for the engine bay being a little bit dirty, but they can color match it to any color you want, plus add any graphics as well. This is from JLT Performance, and you can check them out at jlttruecoldair.com. So you're gonna get some alcohol and a paper towel. You're just gonna go ahead and wipe down all the dust, so that way the velcros will adhere correctly. And you want to just make sure you do clean really well here in this area, and also in this area here. So we're gonna just clean the whole thing while we're at it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove the cap. Just make sure that the engine is cooled off. You don't want this exploding. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. And then we're going to go ahead and get the cover. And before you take off the Velcro sticker peeling, you want to go ahead and test fit it first. Make sure the test fit fits pretty good. So let's see about there. It looks good. And these wires here, you may need to move them a little bit to the side, but other than that, it's good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the sticker. I need to hold it. There you go. Let's show you guys. There's one. And there's the other one. So just gonna do it very lightly to make sure you get it where you want it. There we go. If that looks good, just go ahead and press down where the sticker is. And it shouldn't move. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our cap back on. And there you go. So that's pretty much how the install is. Very easy, simple. Just make sure you clean everything good, and it adds a great engine bay luxury. Let us know if you have any questions about the product. We'll be more than happy to answer them. Just write it down in the comments below. Give us a like, subscribe, and of course, stay tuned for more.